Hello friends, let's do it. First, fold the paper. Okay, let's color it. This is the color dark pink. Wow, so beautiful. It's so cool. Woo. I'm doing faster. I'm doing faster now. The water is coming up and up. The two sides are going up and up. It's rising already. That green one, it looks like black. But also the other side looks like black too. But red don't look. Ooh, it's working. It's working. Almost there. Almost! It's done now! It's done now! I'm so strong. Don't get wet. Can you see the rainbow? It's so cool, right? Let's do the next one. Now we have to get out all the M&Ms. Let's put them on the plate. All faster. I think very faster. It looks like a rainbow. Ooh, so cool, right? My mom is putting the water, so let's see what happens. Let's wait a few minutes. I see a little bit colors, so it'll rise. Oh, it's rising. Look at the rainbow. It's so beautiful.